Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about facing the issue with Fortnite. Whenever you're trying to play the game, you got the error, matchmaking error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, go ahead and do a hard reset of your router. Turn off your router, wait for at least 15 to 20 seconds, unplug all the cable supplies attached to your router. After waiting for 20 seconds, deplug all the cable supplies and then turn on your router and then connect it to your system and launch the game to fix out the Fortnite matchmaking error. Nextly is make sure you do not use any kind of VPN services. If you are using, go ahead and disable the VPN. And thirdly is right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Over here, right click on your Wi-Fi and choose the option properties. Here first of all, uncheck the option TCP IP v6. Then click on the option TCP IP v4 and hit the properties option. Here choose the second option, use the following DNS server and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS type in 8.8.4.4. This is Google DNS. Hit the OK button and then close it. Now go ahead and relaunch your game to fix out the Fortnite matchmaking error while playing the game. If this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. Go ahead and launch the game. At this point of time, click on your icon and go ahead and choose the option settings. Now click on the settings option. First of all, click on this gear icon and go ahead and change your matchmaking region. If it is auto, go ahead and change it to NA East or NA West. Make sure you change the region. Nextly is click on your game icon. From this left pane, click on the option gameplay privacy, and if you have turned on the crossplay platform, make sure you turn it off. After turning off cross platform, hit apply, go back, go ahead and play the game to fix out Fortnite matchmaking error. Now if this also failed to work out, in next step, make sure you remove the custom key. To remove, simply click on this play option and here you will find the option of custom key. Click on it. If there is any key you have entered right over here, make sure you press the backspace or button to remove the custom key and then click on the option accept. Once it is done, go ahead and play the game to fix out the Fortnite matchmaking error while launching the game. Now if this method failed to work out, first of all, close the game. Now open your Windows security. In this left pane, click on the option firewall. Now click on the option advanced settings. Here click on the option inbound rules. Now click on the option new rule. Now choose the option port and hit the next button to continue. Now first of all choose the TCP option and secondly choose the specific local port. In specific local port, go ahead, copy these ports from the description of this video and paste right over here. Then hit next button. Now checkmark the option allow the connection. Checkmark all these three options, domain, private and public. Now give it any name. I'll give it Fortnite. Click on the option finish. Once it is done, go ahead, make sure to restart your PC and relaunch the game and this will fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.